Hi. Tu ni grocery shopping ka bol na mo. I neu khat video hong bol ningin. I thil tuam ka lein chin. I nidang chu I supermarket ahia income chira supermarket ako. Everyday needs te hu kapalazel in chin mo. Everyday needs, daily needs te hu kalein. Ahi vanga chu tu ni chu weekend ako I apa holiday hi siya. Neu khat big shopping grocery ka bolin mo. I inko ma supermarket a ho lowinga mundang de wahi kabapayin chin mo bange international food chi vel ha Chinese food ahi lo le muntam pi ka pha mo supermarket thum ka pha in chin pu pen hungen sa ningin bang bange ka le chi mo i Turkey lama de te Eastern European no with Albania chi vel mo lo le Turkey chi vel ate hun ha Greece ite velin sweet aneu khat ka favorite ma khadum inchin ma ho pen jong kalayo I amina hile baklava kitchen chin ma okay hungen sani ngo grocery ya bang bange kalayo atoto la hu ka senga hile 100 euro val de inchin ma ho 10,000 bal chi na ve elam suma liquid teng chu anwa ya basement aka ko inchin mo ya kang dok lo inchin and new ole ya be khadum inchin 100 euro abang maza akilei zo lo mo van azia chu hi expensive hi changa van fu expensive thein chin 100 chu bang ma lo wa bezelin I have two bag one two more here okay
Hello, can I join the video? Can I join the video?
Hino now na follow amasa hile hikuku mo hikuku ravioli hinchin asunga sa umma wasunga sa umin ikoile katate yogurt di iko hile samo pasta to huan di hinchin spaghetti zong sa iko hile cheese iko hile katate snack di mo ya bread hinchin tarali mo aya ya potato hi khutuni ta adia hinchin frozen ya fridge ka koi pai ngai di azo hile soft waffles mo ready made waffles Michelin adu inchin waffle khat kalai sa in ya spaghetti khat in azo hiku baklava okay baklava inchin sweet chi tuam kalai mo tu ni new sweet jonga na mi iku hile dates to nochi Daddy, what is nochi walnut nochi walnut to dates ma hote sweet hin chini khoile baklava yo no zong na mu le na try le chin sweet it's very sweet and it's very delicious and I bought another snack I have another yogurt I have another waffle with chocolate I have this cheese because we wanted to do a burger so there is this burger bread 4 burger bread cheese and we have another pancetta and another waffle and Michelle love this biscuit Ringo I have mango 2 mango and I wanted to try this what do we call I don't know I never tried this vine leaves kitchen mo grape na ahu rice ki stuff mo is sushi dan de type hinchin grape to So I wanted to try it. So I bought one and another ravioli. And this is cheese, gorgonzola, gorgonzola. Hijo hile pana, pasta veto mo. This is potato chips. Oh. Okay, another one. We bought 2 beer. Kong. Okay. Okay, another bag finish. And there is, we have bacon. And there is merenda for Emma. And there is Nutella. Burger meat. Another burger meat. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.